Good morning, good afternoon, and good day, because it is the afternoon right now in the earnings report on this equity right here called Intel. SMF earnings review after hours market with a 3-minute tick chart that we have available right here. And basically, here we have it. You're going to see the knee-jerk reaction related to the Intel. It's something that we don't really trade very often. We do short the gaps off of the news. I just want people to stay on standby. All and everybody is looking for the bellwether to blow out that quarter. I will be right back. Big short cover rally in the markets and whatnot. And there is the Intel. After hours, 1:03 p.m. Eastern Time. After hours, Intel is up on deck, folks. 52,000 shares traded at $20.98. 24,000 traded at $21.01. What we are going to be taking a look at is what the earnings guidance is. What does it look like? What will they say moving forward? They've done a great job. It's something that, we normally short when they gap it up. And we have lots of videos of us shorting Intel on other earnings quarters. We're anxiously waiting so that people can see what that's going to be about and what that knee jerk is, if any. It really doesn't really move enough for SMF traders. However, again, a short or an opportunity here or there, there's always money made in every print. One thing we do want people to know about Intel, it's up about 20%. Not today, I'm talking about, but overall. But Intel has lagged. When we were having the bull market run, they were lagging. And what we want people to understand here is that this is the bid and ask. I'm waiting on the report right now. One of the things we'll be looking about is what the gross margins are and what those margins look like moving forward around the world, and our corporations spending money and how much the consumer is spending, and what those global margins look like around the world in the bellwether Intel Corp. Intel has been halted due to a fairly decent earnings report. Intel sees Q3 revs of 11.2 to 12.0 billion versus 10.92 billion consensus. Gross margins of 67% plus or minus a couple of points versus the 64.4% consensus. So they've halted the stock. The preliminary number is 51 cents versus 43. Revs were 10.8 billion versus 10.25 billion. And once again, the Intel has been halted before the earnings report, or before, so that we can see how it will open up. And stay tuned.